Good evening from the Future Ready Center in Wichita Public Schools. We are highlighting tonight one of our new programs this year, the Flying Challenge with Airbus. We are here at the Future Ready Center, which is a newly remodeled facility.
With this being the night that the showcasings are being done by the district, this is the perfect night to actually get to talk about what we've been doing here for a few months now at the Future Ready Center here at North High. It used to be an old Dillon's building that has been converted over into a building where we can have different partnerships, and our current partnership is with Airbus, doing a plane build with them.
So these students are actually building an aircraft that will fly sometime after this summer when they're finished with it.
Absolutely. This aircraft will be built, it'll be functioned, and they will get in next to the pilot at some stage and fly in it.
Yeah, that's amazing.
Well, the Airbus Flying Challenge is a global social responsibility that Airbus operate. Airbus are in 29 countries, and where it's logistically possible, they actually have a Flying Challenge program where volunteers become mentors and they go out into the community. Here in town, we've taken the view that because we're in the air capital, it would be great to encourage children to go into the aviation industry if they fancy it. And the way to do that is to actually give them a taste of what they're doing, of what we do in town, effectively. And in doing that, they get the chance to build this aeroplane, and they get a chance to experience what it's like to build a plane from the first scratchings of metal to putting the controls in and the electrics in, and then taxiing it and flying it.
It was really exciting because it was like an opportunity that was never heard of here at North. And getting to see like the new building and all the materials and tools we're going to use, it was just all exciting.
You know, so often engineering can be a lot of theory when it comes to the aerospace side of things, but this is awesome for our students to be able to actually have hands-on experiences and be able to build a plane and to be every single day alongside Airbus mentors.
What we're calling the Future Ready Center is the old Dillon's building that was at the corner of 13th and Waco. So we are just east of North High School. And the entire facility has been remodeled, although we're only using one classroom and a small portion of the facility at this point.
They had to go through the process of turning what used to be a grocery store into something that looks not like a grocery store and provide the space for a fully functional plane to be built and paraded out for purchase. So they've done a lot of renovations, and it happened all in the midst of a pandemic occurring, so that kind of slowed things down for us. But we were able to get into the building late October or mid-October.
In the next 18 months, there'll be a lot of expansion of CTE programs here, probably in the area of aviation manufacturing, but we hope to kind of fill the space with all sorts of different tools that kids are going to need for the future to get them ready for, to be productive workers for our community. So could you guys tell us what this is? What are you working on here?
So right now we're working on the vertical stabilizer.
Over the time I've worked with the kids here in the high school, when it came to drill the first hole, you could tell they were nervous. And after they drilled 30, 40 holes, they glowed with confidence. And I've seen leadership skills coming out in some of them as well. And also team skills where they help each other and they share the tools, they share the learning experiences, and they share the success.
Our students get to see something that is not often offered in traditional curriculum and science curriculum in high schools, and spark that interest and that desire to kind of think beyond the stars.
Like there's so much I didn't know that plays into how things function and how they work and things like that.
And what would you tell maybe a freshman who thinks they may want to take this course someday? What would you tell them about it?
Take it. For sure. Take it without a doubt. You're gonna love it.